Hey skincare lovers! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of skincare and beauty. Ready to transform your skin overnight? If you're looking for a natural glow and healthier skin, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a simple and effective DIY nighttime skincare routine using all-natural, homemade products. These ingredients are not only gentle on your skin, but also incredibly effective. Trust me, your skin will thank you. First up, cleansing. This is the foundation of any good skincare routine. Start by washing your face with a mild face wash to remove dirt and impurities. Make sure to choose a cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Clean skin is happy skin. A good cleanse sets the stage for the rest of your routine. Next, let's talk face masks. These are essential for deep cleaning and nourishing your skin. I love using a Besan face mask. It's a traditional remedy that's been used for centuries. You'll need Besan, honey, milk or curd, a pinch of turmeric, and some rosewater. Each of these ingredients has unique benefits for your skin. Mix them into a smooth paste and apply it evenly on your face. Make sure to cover all areas, avoiding the eyes and mouth. This mask is fantastic for removing dark spots, pigmentation, and giving you that gorgeous glow. It's like a mini facial at home. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Use this time to relax and unwind. Maybe listen to some calming music or read a book. Before rinsing, gently rub your skin in circular motions to clean pores and remove dead skin. Then, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Now, grab 2 ice cubes. This step is refreshing and invigorating. Rub them on your face for 40-60 seconds. The cold temperature helps to tighten your skin and reduce puffiness. This helps reduce pore size and increases blood circulation. It's a quick way to give your skin a boost. Plus, if you have any pimples, it'll help reduce inflammation. Time for toning. Toning is crucial for balancing your skin's pH levels. Apply rosewater with a cotton ball all over your face. Rosewater is soothing and helps to calm any redness or irritation. This refreshes your skin and helps fade blemishes. Rosewater is a game changer. Finally, moisturizing. This locks in all the goodness from the previous steps. Take some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its healing and hydrating properties. You can use store-bought gel, but fresh aloe vera is even better. It's pure and free from any additives. Cut a piece from the plant, remove the yellowish liquid, and scoop out the gel. This gel is packed with nutrients. Massage it onto your face for 4 or 5 minutes in circular motions. This helps with absorption and stimulates blood flow. Aloe vera helps remove acne, pimples, and scars, and it hydrates your skin beautifully. That's it. Your skin will feel soft, supple, and rejuvenated. This simple, natural nighttime skincare routine can work wonders. Consistency is key, so make it a part of your nightly ritual. For more amazing home remedies for all your skin problems, keep following our space. We have a treasure trove of tips and tricks to share with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips. Your support means the world to us.